Hello student, myself Dr. Rajendra Dandawate, Associate Professor, Department of Physiology, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Sony. Today's topic of discussion is parasites of vertebrates. The vertebrates are infected by various ectoparasites and endoparasites. Majority of the parasites are the endoparasites. These parasites are found in blood vessels, digestive systems of the vertebrate. For example, Trypanosoma gambians. This Trypanosoma gambians, it is the protozoal blood parasite of vertebrate. It found in reptiles, birds, mammals. The disease caused by this parasite is called as trypanosomiasis. When we observe this morphology of these parasites, there are three species of the parasites. The parasite which is distributed in Central West Africa, the parasite lives in blood, lymph node, spleen of the man. It is a cylinder, spindle-shaped structure with long flagellum. There are 6 polymorphic forms of these parasites. When we observe its internal part or anatomy, the nutrition is saprozoic and respiration is anaerobic. Animals are reproduced by binary fission, which is a asexual reproduction method. The body is spindle shaped. The cytoplasm consists of nucleus, parabasal body. The elongated food particles are found in the cytoplasm. In morphologically, it shows elongated flagella, then basal body, centrally located nucleus, the flagella which is used for swimming purpose or locomotion purpose. When we study the life cycle of this parasite, it is completed in 2 hosts. The primary host is vertebrate animal and secondary host is the blood-sucking fly. The part of life cycle is completed in body of man. The infected fly bite to man, it inoculates few parasites in man. The parasite reach in cerebrospinal fluid. The patient shows the lyric conditions. When flies suck the blood of infected man, human beings, the parasite enter in the body of that fly. The life cycle takes near about 2 to 30 days. When fly bite to the man, the parasite enter in human body. This transmission is called as mechanical transmission. The parasite is harmless to its natural host. Example, antelopes, pigs, buffaloes. These are called as reservoir hosts from which infection spreads. The symptoms of disease are the African sleeping sickness leads to coma stage. In higher infection, death of the patient occurs. There are 2 types of disease like Gambian rhodesium sleeping sickness. This disease is diagnosed by examining the fresh peripheral blood. In cerebrospinal fluid, number of parasites are observed. The life cycle which is completed in 2 hosts. When the parasite infects the human being or it is suffered by the disease, then this disease can be controlled by using different drugs like Bayer 205 and pentamidine. It controls these parasites or disease. These drugs have low toxicity, effective in treatment and prevent the infection. The preventive medicines should be taken frequently. These drugs are also called as astropol or suramine drugs. The next topic of discussion is the metazoan organisms. The origin of metazoa. Metazoa are called as multicellular organisms. This kingdom includes the kingdom Animalia, which is having the 2 subkingdoms like protozoans and metazoa. There are about 50,000 species of the protozoans. The body is covered by limiting membranes which prevent the animal from growing. All protozoans are different from the metazoans. Their cells are functionally independent. These metazoans are larger multicellular animals. Their body cells are capable of performing all activities. In lower metazoans, tissues are primitive and cells are arranged in layers. In higher metazoans, tissues are in the form of organs. They are large size and high degree of differentiation animals. The animals show the physical division of labor. When you observe the physiology, the metazoans produce two types of the gametes, spermatozoa and ova. The sperm fuse with egg and form the zygote. If they form the blastula, blastula undergoes invasion forming two layers, which is called as the ectoderms and endoderms, and which is called as the blastula. Blastula converted to the gastrula. Its central cavity is called as the argentera. This is the developmental stages of the metazoan organisms.